Xin ciao, sandwich fans. I find myself in possession of some high-quality banh mi ingredients, so let's go back to number 4 on the Encyclopedia of Sandwiches, the lovely banh mi. And here's what we've got today. First, I've got some pork liver and blood pate from Bonton & Co. in Dawson City, Yukon. They're the best. And for my meat, I'm going to use some roast beast made from smoked Yukon elk from Tum Tums Meats. And I've got this mini baguette, some pickled carrots, some cucumber. My fresh serranos went bad, so I'm using pickled jalapenos. I'm going to make a little spicy mayo with some homemade hot sauce and some Hillmans, and some cilantro in a pickle jar. First, the beautiful pate. Beautiful. Next, our Yukon smoked elk roast beast. Then our spicy mayo. Then our carrots, cucumber, some jalapenos, and cilantro. And then we put it all together, take it over to the table, and very much enjoy. This is Sandwich Dad.